Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today we will see how we can add a menu to our store. First of all, you need to go to Products, then you will see Menu. You will see that I already have a menu. I will delete it like this so we could start over. Click on New Menu. Then you need to choose a name for your menu. After that, you will need to add either your pages or your collections. I will start with the pages. For example, the Home, Shop, and Privacy Policy page. Then I want to add some collections. Accessories, camera, laptops, smart phones. Now, if I need to add a new menu element, click on Add Item right here. Put your item name in here. For example, YouTube. Then specify a URL for your item. After that, the target. Either you want this URL to open in a new blank window or to open in itself window. After that, click on Confirm. If you want to make some menus here, sub-menu, just click like this and drag it to be under the parent element. When you finish, click on Confirm. After that, head to Customizer. Then choose the place you wanna view your menu. I wanna go to Header right here and click on Select Menu. After that, I will select my menu right here and click on Confirm. Then our menu will appear in our header. For example, if you want to add it to the footer, just go down here and click on Footer like this. You will see a tab called Menu. Click it and choose the main menu right here, or create a separate menu for the footer as you see right here, and the menu is viewing correctly. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Don't forget to click on Publish now.